Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. This is why I love my breakout strategy. What have I been teaching you guys? What exactly just? I mean, with NIO, I didn't actually do this play because I'm in leaps, so I'm in year out calls for NIO. I'm in like $60 leaps for NIO. But what happened on this play? Right, we had relative lows back here at 31.94, so like $32. We had relative lows back here at 43.30. We added the fibs from that low to that high, and guess what happened? Weekly chart, we broke through all-time highs. Remember, that candle is key. We broke that candle. We broke those highs, previous highs right here. We broke through, and 3 weeks later, we hit our first TP. Same week, which is last week. We hit this week actually. This week we hit first TP, second TP, and we just hit that last third TP today. On that rise of that recent rise of NIO. So again, the breakout strategy, again, working out perfectly a month out. If you guys would have bought here, if you guys would have bought your calls a month out, which would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, you would have probably had July 6 calls expiring. Again, you would have been in the money for all 3 of your calls, or for basically every single one of your calls this week, and you would have still had an extra week left. But again, as soon as these TPs hit, you would have sold out. So as soon as the first one hit, $49, you would have sold out of like 80% of your position. Once the $50 mark got hit, you would have sold out of the rest, and then you would have left maybe one call running for $51, or if you wanted to do shares to be safe. But again, breakout strategy. I can't tell you guys enough how well this strategy works, especially on the short, on the longer time frame. We're looking for these specifically on the weekly chart. We're not doing this on the daily, right? We're looking for basically easy peaks to kind of detect. And the really good thing about this is NIO, guess what? It's got another peak up here. It's got a its actual all-time high is 66.75. The next area for NIO that we should be looking for is going to be from highs of 66.89 to lows of, lows of 38.17. So again, once we break out of this previous high of 66.87, you're going to be doing that same exact 3-set take profit for that $84.64 level on NIO. I'll see you guys later.